How to fix error code 773 on Roblox. So if you want to fix the error code which says 773 on Roblox, so what you need to do is first you need to open up your Roblox application, or you can go with your browser. So you can simply open up any browser and then you can go for your Roblox under your browser. So once you've opened Roblox, make sure to log into your account. Once you've logged in, go for the upper right, which has that settings option. Once you're here on the settings, now here on the left, you will have this privacy option. Click on the privacy, and under the privacy, if you have account restrictions are enabled, then you just simply toggle that off. So turn that off. So simply make sure that this option is turned off. You need to simply click on this and then you need to turn that off. Once you've turned off, now if you scroll down here, you may have an option of log out of other devices or all devices. So you can simply search for that option. So that option is here under the security. So you can go for the security, which is here on the second option. And then if you scroll down, here you will have where you're logged in. So you need to simply choose log out of all other sessions if you don't have any issue about that. But if you want to log out from a particular account, then simply choose the account, go for the arrow which is on the right side, and then click on log out of session. Once you've logged out, then your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix your error code 773 on Roblox. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.